In our last journey, we stepped into forgotten tombs, unearthed cities frozen in time, and walked the paths of our earliest ancestors. The discoveries were incredible, but what you're about to see now. These finds didn't just add pages to our history books, they forced us to tear them up and start over. Get ready, because these secrets completely changed how we understand human civilization itself. Let's continue the journey. Imagine digging in the English countryside in 1939 and stumbling upon an entire Anglo-Saxon ship buried right under your feet. This is Sutton Hoo. It wasn't just a ship, it was a king's tomb, filled with stunning gold treasures, helmets, and swords. This single discovery shattered the myth of the Dark Ages, revealing a world of powerful, sophisticated, and wealthy kings in early medieval England. Now, travel back even further in time, to around 9600 BCE, long before Stonehenge, long before the pyramids, humans were building something extraordinary, Göbekli Tepe. These massive, intricately carved stone pillars in modern-day Turkey stand as the world's oldest known temple. The shocking part, it was built by hunter-gatherers. This find turned history on its head, suggesting that complex religion and organized society may have come before agriculture, not the other way around. Over 2,000 years ago, off the coast of a Greek island, a Roman shipwreck held a secret that would baffle scientists for a century. The Antikythera mechanism. At first glance, it looked like a lump of corroded bronze. But inside was a complex system of interlocking gears. This device wasn't just a clock, it was an astronomical calculator, tracking the movements of the sun, moon, and planets with mind-boggling precision. Often called the world's first analog computer, it proved ancient science was far more advanced than we ever imagined. In the 1920s, in what is now Iraq, archaeologist Leonard Woolley uncovered the royal tombs of yore. He found more than just treasure, he found a glimpse into the heart of the Sumerian civilization, one of humanity's earliest. The death pits revealed elaborate burial rituals, while the exquisite gold jewelry, ornate lyres, and cylinder seals told stories of wealth, power, and a complex belief system about the afterlife that existed over 4,500 years ago. Deep within the dense Guatemalan rainforest, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies the magnificent Maya city of Tikal. Its towering pyramids pierce the jungle canopy, silent witnesses to a civilization that flourished for centuries. The discovery of Tikal's temples, palaces, and intricate hieroglyphs unlocked the story of a society of brilliant astronomers, mathematicians, and architects who created a bustling metropolis long before European explorers arrived. Let's talk about the birth of the city itself. Welcome to Uruk. In ancient Mesopotamia, this wasn't just a large settlement. It was one of the world's first true cities. It's here that some of the earliest forms of writing emerged, where monumental architecture reached for the heavens, and where organized government first took root. Uruk was the blueprint for urban life, a bustling hub of innovation that laid the foundation for civilizations to come. How did the first people arrive in the Americas? For years, the answer lay buried beneath ice and time. Archaeological sites scattered across what was once the Beringia land bridge finally provided the clues. These ancient campsites and stone tools reveal the incredible journey of early humans who crossed from Asia into North America during the last ice age, adapting to harsh environments and populating two entire continents. It's a story of humanity's unstoppable spirit of migration. Fly high above the desert plains of southern Peru, and you'll see something that makes no sense from the ground. The Nazca lines. These are gigantic geoglyphs, enormous drawings of animals, plants, and geometric shapes etched into the desert floor. Some are as long as a skyscraper is tall. Created over 2,000 years ago, their purpose remains one of archaeology's greatest mysteries. Were they astronomical calendars, spiritual pathways, or messages to celestial gods? For a long time, historians believed that Southeast Asia's major advancements were imported from other cultures. Then came the discovery of Ban Chang in Thailand. This unassuming site unearthed beautiful red-painted pottery and sophisticated bronze tools, including sockets for axe heads. Dating showed this was one of Southeast Asia's earliest Bronze Age cultures, proving that advanced metallurgy and complex society developed independently in this region far earlier than anyone had thought. Finally, we arrive at the one monument that needs no introduction, yet continues to defy explanation. The Pyramids of Giza. Built over 4,500 years ago, the Great Pyramid of Khufu stood as the tallest man-made structure on Earth for millennia. It's a masterpiece of engineering, logistics, and labor. Its sheer scale, mathematical precision, and the enduring mystery of its construction continue to humble and inspire us all. From desert lines to buried ships, from the first temples to the first computers, these discoveries share one powerful truth: human ingenuity, creativity, and the quest for meaning have been with us since the very beginning, long before the age of modern technology. Archaeology isn't just about digging up stones and bones. It's about digging up the very story of who we are. If this journey into our shared past blew your mind, do me a favor and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because we have so many more incredible stories from history to share with you. The past is never truly gone. It's just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching.